everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to make homemade burger. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. First we will cut cucumbers like this, thin slices. Or you can cut in this style like this. Now cut onions. The slices of onions, as you can see. You can also cut onions in this style. Now cut the tomatoes, very thin slices. In circular shape, or you can cut in this way. Then we will cut lemons in 2 pieces. So these are the ingredients which we're gonna use in burgers. So now we are going to cut cabbage. Also cut cabbage in thin layers like this. These are the long pieces of cabbage, and if you want cabbage in small size, you can use its middle part, which I'll show you. So these are long pieces, but if you want small pieces, you can use the middle piece of cabbage. You can see in this video like this. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use in burgers. So let's cut the coriander like this. We will use this coriander in making shami kebabs. So now we will blend the dry coriander, which is also going to use in making shami kebabs. So like this. Now start making shami kebabs. I have soaked this dal for 2 hours. Then put this in cooker and 2 small onions, and this is a ginger and garlic paste. And these are the green chilies. And this is cumin powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of black pepper, and half tablespoon of hot spice powder, and half tablespoon of chili flakes, half tablespoon of red chili powder, and these are hot spice, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now add chicken in it, and on the flame add some water. Now start making green chutney. We will use 10 to 15 green chilies. and add some water, then half teaspoon of salt in it, and now blend it. So this is the green chutney, and now we will add cumin powder in it. This is a green chutney which is used in burgers. Now open the cooker and see there's still some water. So until the water dries, we will make egg for burger. So add 2 eggs and some salt, then mix them well. Now add some oil in the pan and make this egg like this. Cook it well from inside and outside. It will look like this. So this is the paste of shami kebabs. You can see the water dries completely. These are the buns of burgers. We will cut them in 2 pieces in this way, or like this. Now add some oil in the pan and put 2 slices of buns like this. Now we will blend the mixture of shami kebab in this blender. Make the paste of shami kebabs well. So we will blend it once again. So this is the final look of this paste, and this is chicken. Now add this chicken in this paste. Don't blend this chicken with the paste. So add some coriander, fresh coriander, and start making shami kebabs like this. Now add some oil in the pan and start making shami kebabs. When they become brown, then take them in a plate like this. They will look like this. So now start making burger. These are the ingredients. This is the green chutney, the ketchup and the mayonnaise, cabbage, egg. So let's get started. First put green chutney on one side of the bun like this. Then add shami kebab on it. Now put egg on it and cucumbers, tomatoes, onions and cabbage. Now add ketchup and mayonnaise in it. Other piece of bun, so it will look like this. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, then do comment and subscribe and like my channel. Thanks. It's really very tasty. Try this.